This is our 3 kW 2.5 kWh all-in-one energy storage system, which can provide reliable power supply for all kinds of equipments. Here, we demonstrate the operation of the system. Here is the Wi-Fi port, here is the RS485 communication port, and here is the 24-volt charger port to charge the battery directly. Now we connect the positive and negative poles of the inverter to the poles of the battery, and then connect the positive and negative poles of the mains power to the battery. Then turn on the inverter switch. Turn on the battery switch. The display panel shows the voltage is 26.1 volt, and the SOC is 57. We turn on the load and the panel shows that the power is 2386.4 watt. We see the data on the battery and it shows that the load is 2.35 kilowatt. The current demonstration is to connect the mains power to charge the battery. When charging, the yellow light will flash, and the LCD display will show the mains power supply charging the battery here. That's all for the all-in-one energy storage system. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.